Step 1. Lockout, tagout. If the door has an operator, begin by performing a proper lotto procedure to ensure safety before starting. Step 2. Raise and secure the door. Raise the door 6 to 10 inches off the ground. Use vice grips or C-clamps under the rollers on both sides to secure it in place. Step 3. Release spring tension. With the door secured, backwind or float the spring tension. Floating is recommended when an operator is present. Insert a winding bar into the winding cone and pull upward until the cables go slack. Insert the second winding bar to hold position safely. Step 4. Once the spring tension is secured and cables are slack, remove all hardware from the bottom section. Then remove the bottom section from the door frame. Step 5. Remove and drop old cables. Detach the cables from the bottom brackets and drums, then let them drop to the ground. Step 6. Make new cables. Unravel the new cable and trim any frayed strands. Install one round stop at the end of the cable. Pass the cable through an oval loop and crimp it with the swager to create a loop for the bottom bracket. Extend and match the new cable length with the original. Use a tool to hold the loops in place. Crimp a round stop at the required length. Leave a second stop loose for future leveling. Trim the cable past the crimped stop and repeat for the second cable. Step 7. Install new cables in bottom section. Reinstall the bottom section into the door frame and attach all hardware. Secure the new cables to the bottom brackets. Run the cables up behind the roller stubs and attach them to the drum pickup points, making sure the crimped stops are seated in the drum slots. Step 8. If floating tension, unlock the hand chain and pull it to tighten the cables. Once tight, lock the springs back onto the shaft. If using winding bars, carefully raise the bar and remove the resting bar while maintaining grip and tension. Step 9. Final checks. Raise the door slightly and remove all vice grips or clamps. Ensure the door is level and both cables are height. If lotto is used, remove it and restore power to the operator. Test the door for proper operation and clean up the work area. That's it! You've successfully replaced the bottom section and installed new cables.